In today's video, I will walk you through how to install the Shopify app on your laptop. To get started, make sure you have the Chrome browser installed on your computer. Once Chrome is available, open it and navigate to the Shopify website. After reaching the Shopify website, log into your Shopify account. Once you're successfully signed in and your Shopify dashboard is visible, you're ready to continue with the installation process. Next, move to the top right corner of the Chrome window. There, you will find the three vertical dots that open the Chrome menu. Click on those dots to display the available options. When the menu opens, scroll down until you find the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Move your cursor over this option to reveal additional choices. A submenu will appear with more actions available. From this list, locate the option called Install Page as App. Once you find it, click on it to continue. After selecting Install Page as App, Chrome will begin creating an app version of Shopify on your laptop or desktop. This allows Shopify to open in its own dedicated window rather than as a standard browser tab. As part of the setup process, you may see a prompt asking whether you would like to create a shortcut. If this prompt appears, select the option to create the shortcut. Creating the shortcut places Shopify directly on your desktop, making it easy to launch whenever you need it. Instead of opening Chrome and navigating back to Shopify each time, you can simply use the shortcut that has been created. Once the installation is complete and the shortcut has been added, Shopify will be available as an app-like experience on your computer. You can open it directly from your desktop and access your store in a separate window. To quickly recap, open Chrome, go to the Shopify website, log into your account, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, hover over Cast, Save, and Share, select Install Pages app, and create the desktop shortcut if prompted. After completing these steps, Shopify will be available on your laptop as a standalone application experience, giving you quick and convenient access whenever you need to manage your store. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.